The fact that an AI passed a university exam is certainly a testament to the incredible advancements in AI technology. However, it raises important questions and considerations about the implications of AI in education and other fields. Let's explore both the potential benefits and concerns. Potential benefits. 1. Enhanced learning tools. AI has the potential to create advanced learning tools and platforms that can provide personalized education, tutoring, and support to students. AI can analyze students' strengths and weaknesses, offering customized study plans and resources to help them succeed. 2. Automation of routine tasks. AI can automate administrative and grading tasks, allowing educators to focus more on teaching and interacting with students. This can lead to a more efficient and effective educational system. 3. Improved accessibility. AI can make education more accessible to a wider audience, including individuals with disabilities or those in remote areas. AI-driven tools can provide real-time translation, captioning, and other assistive technologies to enhance learning experiences. 4. Enhanced research capabilities. AI can assist researchers in analyzing vast amounts of data, identifying patterns, and generating insights that can drive scientific discoveries and innovation. This can accelerate the pace of research and lead to breakthroughs in various fields. Concerns and considerations. 1. Academic integrity. The use of AI to complete assignments or pass exams raises concerns about academic integrity and fairness. Ensuring that students are evaluated based on their own knowledge and skills is crucial to maintaining the credibility of educational institutions. 2. Over-reliance on technology. While AI can be a valuable tool, over-reliance on it may lead to a decline in critical thinking and problem-solving skills. It's important to strike a balance between using AI and fostering independent learning and creativity. 3. Ethical and privacy issues. The use of AI in education involves collecting and analyzing large amounts of data, raising concerns about privacy and data security. Ethical guidelines and regulations must be established to protect students' personal information and ensure responsible use of AI. 4. Job displacement. The automation of certain tasks by AI may lead to concerns about job displacement for educators and administrative staff. However, AI can also create new opportunities and roles in education, such as AI specialists and data analysts. Conclusion. While the advancement of AI and its ability to pass university exams is impressive, it is not necessarily a cause for alarm. Instead, it presents an opportunity to thoughtfully integrate AI into education and other fields, leveraging its strengths while addressing potential challenges. By establishing ethical guidelines, promoting responsible use, and ensuring that human judgment and creativity remain central, we can harness the potential of AI to enhance learning and drive progress. What are your thoughts on the role of AI in education? Do you see it as a positive development, or are you concerned about its implications?